Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have the essentials, Vscode and Git installed. Open the repository folder now and go straight to the source control icon. Once there, make sure the Git extension is enabled. This links Vscode to your local repo. You should see changed files and branch info immediately. If the source control view is empty, check that the workspace root contains a Git folder. Next, open the command palette to run Git commands visually and prepare to explore history. Now dig into commit history. Click a file and open its timeline to see commits affecting it. Once done, use the source control branch menu to list branches, check out a branch, or compare refs. Make sure to open the Git output pane for command feedback. If you need richer diffs and authorship, enable Git Lens. Its line blame, commit search, and graph panels reveal relationships. Combine compare with open file from commit to inspect exact changes and understand why a change was made. Finish by using advanced views. Open Git graph or the Git. Show log command to trace merges and branches visually. Once done, fetch and pull remotes to include remote commits in the history. Make sure to use compare tools to cherry-pick or revert specific commits safely. If history seems incomplete, check that the repository has a Git directory and that Vscode open the correct workspace root. Restarting Vscode or reloading the window often refreshes the Git integration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.